Alright, we're going to go over 1184, the distance between bus stops. So essentially we're just trying to figure out what the distance between the bus stops would be. So this one has a distance of 1, this one has a distance of 2 between it, this one has 3, this one has 4. So say we're trying to go from like 0 to 2, we'd have to go like 1 or 2, but it also goes clockwise, so you could go 4 or 3. Let's just say miles. So I'll say this one would be 7 miles, this one would be 3. So you're trying to find out which would be the minimum distance between them. So it'd be like this one, it'd be the 3. So we're gonna write some code. So there are a few things to keep in mind with this problem. For some reason they decided to not make start always less than stop. So basically sometimes like the start could be here and the destination could be here, even though it's like the same thing. So we have to basically go into the code and we have to be like, if start is more than the destination, oops. Start destination equals destination start. Okay, cool. And then in here we're going to say clockwise equals, and so basically what we're trying to find is we're trying to find the sum. So we're trying to find the sum from here to here. So this one would be 3, but there could be way more. So we're going to do sum. And then we're going to take this distance array that we have here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to slice it from start to destination. So that'll give us the distance between them. Yeah, and then basically, like, all we have to do is just return, and then we're going to use this minimum function that's going to tell us the difference, like which one is smaller. So then we're going to do clockwise, and then we're going to do sum of distance minus clockwise. So basically we're basically comparing, so this one is like the sum of all of them, but then we also want to find out what the minimum is, because like the other side is just going to be the total of this whole array minus whatever we went to that way, went clockwise. So